Okay, so honestly, I'm really used to going back and forth when it comes to doing my eye makeup, but today I was like, no, I'm gonna do all of this eye, and then I'm gonna film doing this eye for you guys. But I kind of like didn't do that for the first 2 steps, and I was like, wait, this is what I'm supposed to be doing. So I was like, I finished the way I was supposed to, but I did just 2 things on this side, and I did it using the Too Faced Extra Spicy Gingerbread palette. And so the first thing I did was I primed my eyes using the Urban Decay Original Primer Potion, and then I set it using the shade Vanilla Wafers. And then I took a kind of loose fluffy brush and used the shade Butterscotch, and I just put it all into the crease and like just like kind of everywhere. So that's what I have done so far. So now I'm gonna take this kind of densey packed shadow brush, and I'm gonna use the shade Hot Tamale, and I'm just kind of put it in like this, and then do a quick little tap. And then I put this kind of right in it and a little bit underneath the crease, and I'm doing this going in back and forth windshield wiper motions. So now I'm gonna use that loose kind of fluffy brush and blend that out with their other color. Then I'm gonna dip back into Butterscotch and tap it off and really just focus on putting that all the way on top of the crease, right underneath the brow bone kind of, so it just fades out. And then kind of go back and forth with the Hot Tamale and just color, like push that into the crease. And then using a clean blending brush, blend everything in together. Now we're gonna use the shade Cookie Call. Take that on a brush that kind of looks like this, and it's kind of dense, and just put that on the outer lid. If it gets like onto the crease there, it's fine. Just use a fluffy brush and blend it. Then use the brush that you put on with the Hot Tamale. Don't drop it like I just did. And again, what we did before, just go back and forth into the crease. And then again with this brush on top crease a little bit, and it does not look at all blended or good now, but just trust me on it, alright? I literally lose everything when I'm doing my makeup. I swear I'm not like that much of a mess, but just a little bit of a mess. Got it. Alright, now I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I just put it directly onto the inner corner, eyelid, really in just a patting motion. So now it looks like that. And now I'm gonna use my finger and pat it in. Now it looks like this. Using a flat packing brush kind of thing. And I'm gonna use the shade Half Baked, this one here, and put it directly on top of that primer potion, and kind of like take it sideways here and flick it onto the, and now I'm gonna go back onto the outer lid and pack some of the Cookie Call color, and I'm gonna ever so slightly, I'm gonna hold the brush from the tip and just go a little bit on top there, and then use this brush again from that Hot Tamale color and go on top, blend it out, dip a little bit into more of the Hot Tamale. So we have some more of that pink color, and then drop more of your brushes, just blend it out there, then hop back into butterscotch. Really just make it go outwards. And then go back into the half-baked color and freshen it up. And I'm going to do that on the other eye too. So now this eye kind of looks deeper than the one I did originally. So I'm just going to do again what I did here. Again onto this eye. So it's equal intensities of deepness. This is a dry makeup wipe, literally. And I'm just going to go on the bottom and clean up the fallout. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, mascara, lashes, all that rest of the eye stuff off camera, and I'll be right back. I am a complete and utter failure. Oh my god, this is garbage. Lord help me. How am I even supposed to fix this? I hate everything. We're just gonna work with it. Now that 20 minutes has gone by and we've learned that it's impossible for me to do anything. My lashes are uneven and this one's like falling off. Like, what is wrong with me? I'm gonna do the rest of my face and hopefully that doesn't go as miserably. That wouldn't be fun. I'm really not having it today now. I hope this video gets views. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Self-Adjusting Primer and I'm gonna do squirt here, squirt here, squirt here, squirt here, and use this foundation brush by it. Next, I'm gonna use this Clinuque Fit foundation. It's very, very liquidy. I don't even know why I did that. I never put on my makeup that way. Normally I'd build that up a few times, but I don't really feel like it today. The Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Light 1. Now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me stick concealer thing, but I'm using this in the shade Toffee Caramel. I've used pretty much all of it, which is very, like, you know, rewarding because I never finish anything. And normally I do like long kind of line, but today I'm just gonna do dots. And I'm using a bristled foundation brush that I use for blending out my contoury bronzing things. Normally I do a lot more than this, but right now we're doing something new because things just have not been working out for me, and you've probably seen the sass level I have going up and up and up. So I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Packed Translucent De-Slick Powder. Do you guys ever do your makeup and then realize how bad you have to shave / wax or tweeze or whatever your mustache? Because that's what's going through my mind now. Wow, how have I not done that? I go back in with this brush and do it on my lower lash line. And then this one that has the Cookie Call shade on it already, and do the same thing but only on this part. We're gonna put on mascara, now some bronzer, liquid lipstick, using the shade Unbroken from Urban Decay. I'm really bad at putting on lipstick, so I normally don't. I'm the worst at it. That's as good as it's ever gonna get. Can't forget highlighter. Using Too Faced Candlelight Glow. There you go. And this is my makeup. I honestly really do like the way my eyeshadow came out, except for the eyeliner and my lashes that aren't cooperating. This just keeps popping off Why can't it just like behave? I would love it if it just did that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're still watching this video, that's weird. But thank you. You should subscribe at this point. I'm sorry that now I'm just kind of going all over the place. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I honestly enjoyed filming it, even though I got very, very angry. But yeah, I hope you guys really liked this. If you end up recreating this look, which you probably won't, but if you do, tag me in it. My Instagram and everything is gonna be down below. And yeah, thank you guys. Comment other videos you want to see. Like this video if you liked it. Like this video just because you feel bad because I struggled so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye!